Home Remedies presents Mix boiled milk with 2 ingredients and you will be surprised what happens to your body. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia, and if you are someone who believes in natural remedies for ailments, then you must definitely try the natural health drink that I will share with you today in this video. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Do you remember when your grandmother used to make you drink a glass of warm milk every night before bed when you were a kid? Well, she was right in doing so, because a recent study has found that boiled milk, especially when mixed with some special ingredients, can prove to be extremely beneficial for health. Instead of rushing to the doctors and hospitals as soon as you find out that you could be suffering from an ailment, always try to opt for some natural cures that can be beneficial for us in the long run compared to the modern day medicines that could be harmful for us in the long run. Did you know that mixture of boiled milk, cloves and pepper can come with over 7 health benefits to us? No, right? I will tell you about it today. First, let us see the recipe on how to make this natural health drink. Just grind 3 to 4 cloves and 3 to 4 black peppercorns in a blender to obtain a powder. Now mix this powder in a glass of warm milk. Your health drink is ready to be consumed. It is recommended to take it every night, 1 hour after a meal. The consumption of this homemade health drink will provide you with the following health benefits. Reduces cold. The mixture of warm milk, cloves and pepper is an excellent remedy for common cold, as this mixture has the ability to reduce nasal congestion to provide a good relief from cold. Treats sore throat. If you are suffering from a sore throat or bad cough, this natural health drink can be a great remedy, as it has the ability to soothe the irritation in your throat. Improves immunity. As this health potion nourishes every cell of your body and boosts its ability to fight the disease-causing agents, it can improve your immune system to keep you healthy. Treats migraine. This natural health drink is known to improve the oxygen flow to your brain and reduce inflammation, thus reducing migraine-related headaches. Prevents osteoporosis. As milk contains a high amount of calcium and proteins, it has the ability to strengthen your bones and keep them healthy, thereby preventing the condition of osteoporosis. Reduces infections. The homemade health drink, made from warm milk, cloves and pepper, comes with antibacterial properties that can reduce infections caused by bacteria in your body. Prevents cancer. As this herbal health potion is infused with healthy proteins and phytonutrients, it has the ability to prevent the cancerous multiplication of cells. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.